D3's got cereal. Almost done. And breakfast with mama. Good morning. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title of today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with us as we just do things that we do every day, or some days. But this is just a little day in the life with us, the Kollie fam. Today, we don't really have much planned. I do need to take Shiloh to her doctor's appointment. This was her 9-month appointment, but we missed it because we had went to Atlanta. So we missed it and I had to reschedule it. She's actually 10 months now. She turned 10 months on the 1st. But yeah, so right now I have started making both me and David's breakfast. It's just something light, some Hawaiian bread rolls with bacon and eggs. And what we like to do is just make them like into little mini breakfast sandwiches. So that's just something light for us to have for breakfast. I think I'm about to make a smoothie. This is like one of my go-to smoothies. This is a smoothie I make all the time. It just tastes so good. Okay, so we got spinach, my choice of greens, and we got triple berry mix, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, mango chunks, pineapple, and then I also like to use agave nectar sweetener as well. I also usually make my smoothie with coconut water, but we're out of that too, so I'm just gonna use apple juice. So I'm not gonna use too much of the agave because I'm using apple juice, but it tastes really good with coconut water. Greens. And this is actually a really good smoothie for me because I do breastfeed Shiloh, and whenever I start my day off with a smoothie, my milk supply like triples. Like it's crazy. But I believe it's probably because of all the spinach and the fruit too. On here, the Ninja, it tells you how many cups you're pouring. On here, the measurements. So I usually just do about 1.5 cup. That's enough for me, David, and D3. And then I pour and I blend the rest of it. Okay, girl. So my bacon is done. So let me show y'all what this bacon looks like. Here is the bacon. So it's not like super crispy. It's perfect. And you got the pepper on top. It's so good. Breakfast going to daddy. Here you are. #1 dad smoothie. You want a straw?
Yes, please.
So once I'm done making breakfast, everyone eats together, and then David usually goes up to his office to go and work, and then I will go and do what I have to do with the kids. It is 1 o'clock, so I need to hurry up because she needs to get her clothes on so that we can go. Ready for you?
Yeah, Dad, come here.
Alright guys, so I got Shiloh ready. I'm ready. How cute is this purse that I got? It's like a satchel type, you know, front little purse. It's really cute. I love it. I'm more of like comfort and style at the same time, so this is perfect for me. I'm so glad I got it. It's actually from Target and it was $25. You ready? Go bye-bye. We're gonna go bye-bye. Now we're leaving the house and I have to go stop and get some gas. And then after that, we're gonna go to the doctor's appointment. So catch you guys there. So I had to make a quick stop at Publix because I needed to get things for dinner tonight. I'm gonna make tacos for dinner. So I had to grab things like cilantro, tomatoes, you know, all that good stuff. I forgot to get cheese. Oh, her doctor's appointment went perfectly. She's in the 70th percentile for her height. And as far as her weight, she is in the 60th percentile. She weighs almost 20 pounds. She's 19.12. So she's just eating good, living good, and just doing good. So that's good news. And she doesn't have to go back until she's 1, which is in 2 months. Say hi. Hey. Hi. But yeah, so here I am again, eating. I'm actually eating some leftovers, some jambalaya and cornbread that I made last night. I got so hungry while I was folding the clothes. So I'm just eating some food really quickly before we go. And then I'm gonna hurry and spritz some water on D3's hair, some leave-in, put our shoes on and head out. Oh, mama. I guess I was taking too long. For her. Here. Oh my goodness, this girl. Oh my. Well, we made it here. Shiloh's sleeping before the walk even started. That's good, so we can all enjoy a peaceful walk. D3 with this one chicken nugget in his hand. He will not finish it. But it feels so good outside. So yeah, now we're just walking, and we'll probably be walking here for about an hour and a half. Bye. This is D3's world, y'all. We're just living in it.
I saw your mason jar. You got some fire flowers.
Oh,
you didn't have caps too.
Oh yeah, there's no caps.
It's hard. Isn't that like this? That's
from the milkshake place. Ooh, he's running to the dog. Okay. You guys, he's never ran towards a dog before. Just catching this on camera. D3. Alright, kid boy. D3, you're scaring the puppy. Hi. Puppy, look, he's scared of you.
I think he's ready for dogs now.
Right, you want a puppy? Should we get a family dog? Cheese. Hi. Look at him, he's so thirsty.
Come on, Chicken Little.
This guy is bald. What's today?
Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday!
We're back home, clearly. I'm starting with the meat. I got the meat on the stove. So as you guys know, I like to make my own seasonings always. So I make like my own rib seasoning, taco, burger, you know. And until I get those cute little jars, I put mine in a Ziploc bag. So, yeah, this is taco. So I'm gonna put some seasoning inside of my meat. First, we're gonna put the green chilies. Boy, has been all in my purse or my little wallet. Tried to hand me and David panty liners at the table because he thought they were napkins. But we're eating dinner. Shay, it's good. It was good. Yes. So sorry, my camera died, so I couldn't record me making dinner. But yeah, I made the beans and we have tacos. And now we're just eating dinner. Between D3 over here trying to hand us panty liners and then Shiloh trying a lime for the first time. It's just too funny. Yes, Mama. So now I'm just gonna finish eating and then the kids are gonna need to take a bath. D3, I don't want that. I don't want these. I don't want these. Panty liners.